Welcome back to Autoscope. Freedom on 4 wheels, the 2026 Ford Transit Campervan's exterior. Modern and functional design, the exterior of the 2026 Ford Transit is probably going to stay tough and practical while incorporating contemporary elements. Sharper LED lighting designs for a more modern appearance and improved visibility. Campervans with high roofs are popular because they increase living space and comfort by enabling upright standing inside. The living room will be easy to reach thanks to the large sliding side doors that will be standard for off-grid energy demands. Retractable awnings offer shelter from the sun and rain, and solar panels may be built into the roof. Interior features include an adjustable steering wheel, multidirectionally adjustable seats, and an easy-to-use interface, improved voice command, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, a larger display, and integrated navigation, security, parking sensors, and rearview cameras. Easier to move around in confined areas. An optional 360-degree camera provides thorough view throughout the car. Convertible or fixed bed. Kitchen features include a built-in or portable burner, a small sink with gray and clean water tanks, a portable refrigerator freezer, and space for food and cooking utensils. Dining seating area, slide-out or fold-down table, chairs or bench that can be removed. Electrical system inverter for AC power, solar panels, shore power hookup for off-site charging, and a leisure deep cycle battery independent of the car's starter battery. Engine options. Ford is expected to keep offering its potent and effective EcoBoost gasoline engine options. In some markets, the company may also introduce or increase the availability of hybrid or even fully electric powertrains like the Transit, which will be especially appealing to consumers looking for quieter and more environmentally friendly operation. Transmission. A smooth driving experience will be offered by the standard automatic transmission, Drivetrain, front-wheel drive FWD, all-wheel drive AWD, and rear-wheel drive RWD are available options.